fees, I mean, to get another ticket money at that moment. So tiye, hey God, money God, mo kàn tají ni, mo ní what is going on? Wọ́n sọ fún ọmọ mi, mo ní Tolú, mo ní the spirit of God. I stay, wọ́n fún mi message ń sìn pé that is a plan, that is work. Money is not, mo wá lọ sórí, money have to be going to the airport. Money have to be going to the airport. Mi ìtúnwò kí ni yẹn mọ́ ìgbé padà. When some people are playing game, they won't actually want to destroy my ticket. And exactly bó ṣe jẹ́ gbogbo nìyẹn. Bí mo ṣe ṣe kíákíá nìyẹn. Money now, please. I'm be trying to order Uber on my name. They are not coming. Yes, and I've told my daughter. I'm be trying. You know, I'm be trying. I order Uber, nobody coming. And I call people I know personally, they are not coming. They say, no, they cannot go. No, they cannot go. Tomorrow. No, tomorrow. You understand me? And I said to my daughter that, please, how can you do it for me? Can you order for me? Thank God my daughter, Pico. You know, during that time,